Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store. So now let's open our Google Play Store. From here begin a search for the game Call of Duty, and as you can see there's no proper game. Now in order to fix this, let's go back and here click on our profile icon, move to the settings, family, parental controls, and here there's two ways you can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls entirely by pressing on this button, entering your PIN, and after that OK. Next is to click on apps and games, enter your PIN, click OK, and increase PG to at least 16, click save. Now let's move back and find Call of Duty again, and the game is right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.